Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add text to Google Photos on the iPhone. You have to start by open Google Photos application. We cannot add text in Google Photos in this application, but we can use Gallery, and then you will have this photo with the text in Google Photos. So, first you need to download some photo to your gallery. So just click on it, 3 dots, and download. Or you can modify already photo what you have in the gallery. And also click at the profile icon at the right top and make sure that your backup turn on. If it's turned off, you will see the button turn on backup. Then you select quality, original quality on storage saver, confirm, and after that we can open gallery. So right here we have this photo. Click at the edit icon at the bottom. Then you need to click at the pencil icon at the top, and now click at the plus. Also, if you have size like me, just zoom it. Click at the plus, add text, and now we have the text. So you can click on it, remove the word text, and write something like hi. Okay, and now we have the text. If you want to modify it, you can click on it, and right here we have options to modify. Okay, and now we have this text, so we can also move it, then click done. And done. And now in the gallery, as you can see, we have only this new photo. If we return to the Google Photos, so right here we have the original one, what we save to the gallery. As you can see right now, it asks me again to download. And this new photo here. If you have already some photo, let's say this one, as you saw, I didn't save it. Add the same process. Okay, let's say now we have this text, and if I return to Google Photos, now, as you can see, we have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.